Let me show you how to make an omelet. All right. So today I'm just using some onions, tomatoes, and green peppers. Now you can add whatever you want, mushrooms, different stuff, whatever you have, broccoli, scallions, asparagus, anything you want. But that's what I'm working with today. All right, so you get that diced. I have 2 eggs beaten. All right, and then what you need is a good non-stick small pan, but make sure it's a non-stick one. A little bit of olive oil. Okay. Add the peppers. So saute it for about a minute, make sure you shake it around a little bit. That's just 2 whole eggs. Turn your fire down to maybe medium. And then what you're gonna do is just go around like that. You see that? So that, because the bottom's already starting to cook, so you just letting the raw egg getting underneath there. You're gonna flip it, but you want it a bit less liquid as possible. So now when you flip it, right, and look, as I flip it, I turn the stove off because it's still cooking right now. It's egg, it cooks fast. And I add some cheese, and whatever cheese you like. You can put Swiss cheese, sliced American cheese, cheddar, goat, mozzarella, whatever. And then now I'm gonna just take this here and just fold it over. So right away the cheese is gonna melt because it's all stuffed up in there in the heat. And there you go, there you have it. All right, and just drop it in there, just to roast it a little bit, so I can get some meat into my breakfast. However you want. See, simple, easy. Because don't get me wrong, a lot of us don't like to wash dishes. So you see that same omelet pan, I took it out, I used for the sausage. I took the sausage out. Now same pan, I'm gonna roast my potatoes in. Put the potatoes in there. But you need a hot pan. It's already cooked, remember, so you just need that roasted, that nice golden brown color on it. Salt. Too much. And I'm gonna just slice that and throw it in there because it also adds a nice flavor to the potatoes. So this is what you're looking for. You see that? You see that nice golden brown color there? So you just, because that also gonna give it a little, gonna make it crispy. The skin's gonna get crispy. You see that? That's what you're looking for. So at this moment, you can add your green onion or your scallions, right? Veggie and cheese omelet, ham or bologna, whatever you say, and roasted potatoes with scallions.